The second, fourth and the last term of an arithmetic progression are these. Find the sum of the term in the progression. The second term is a plus d, which is equal to 60. The fourth term is a plus 3d, which is equal to 52. And the last term, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to negative 28. Now first of all, you'll have to find d, which is common difference, and for that you will need to solve simultaneously. Let's say a plus 3d equals to 52. Change the sign of the first equation. Let's take a plus t is equal to 60, so minus a minus t equals to minus 60. A's cancel out if you add them. 3d minus d is equal to 2d, which is equal to minus 8. D is equal to minus 4. Now you can put back this d into the first equation. So a minus 4 is equal to 60. A is equal to 64. Now you have a and you have d. You can put these into this equation to get n, or the total number of the terms in a sequence. So 64 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 equals to minus 28. Shift this 64 to the other side and multiply minus 4 with n minus 1. Minus 4n plus 4 equals to minus 92. Minus 4n is equal to minus 96 and n is equal to 24. Now the formula for sum of n terms is S of n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to calculate sum of 24 terms. So S of 24, 24 by 2, 12, 2 times a, which is 64, plus n is 24, 24 minus 1 is 23, multiplied by minus 4, which is difference. This will give you the sum is equal to 432. The B part says the second, third and fourth term of a geometric progression are these, where k is a negative constant. Find the value of k. Second term will be AR, which is equal to 9. Third term will be AR square, which is equal to k plus 4. And the third term will be, the fourth term will be AR cube, which will be equal to k square. Now the ratio is equal to next term divided by previous term. Let's say the next term is k plus 4. So k plus 4 divided by 9 equals to r. But r is also equal to k square being the next term divided by k plus 4 being the previous term. Now if you cross multiply these, you will get 9k square is equal to, not equal to, 9 into k square will give 9k square, k plus 4 into k plus 4, which is k plus 4 whole square, so k square plus 8k plus 16. Shift these numbers to the other side. This will give you 8k square minus 8k minus 16 equals to 0. This is a quadratic. Solve for k is equal to 2 or k is equal to minus 1. Now in the question they have said that k is a negative constant. So k is equal to minus 1 is only correct answer. Find the sum to infinity of the progression. The formula is S of infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. For that we'll have to find the value of r. Let's use this equation, k, which is equal to minus 1 plus 4 divided by 9, which is equal to 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. Using R, we'll calculate the first term, which is A. A multiplied by 1 by 3 equals to 9. A is equal to 27. Now in the formula we'll put A, which is 27, divided by 1 minus R, which is 1 by 3. This will give you the sum to infinity, which is equal to 40.5.